Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When you think of comfort food, the best combination is dal and hot steaming rice. Today I'm going to share a wonderful Gujarati dal recipe. We're going to make the sweet and tangy dal that's perfect for rice. It's called Khatti Meethi Dal. Let's get started and check it out. For the Khatti Meethi Dal, I've taken 1 cup of toor dal. Just clean the dal nicely, wash it a few times. And pour enough water and soak the dal for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes you can see the toor dal is soaked beautifully. So now when you cook the dal, it will be very nice and creamy. This is how we want it. So now we're going to cook the dal. To the pressure cooker, add the soaked toor dal. Pour enough water and make sure that the dal is completely immersed in the water. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So gently mix it and pressure cook the dal for about 5 to 6 whistles on medium flame. Once the pressure is released completely, we can open the pressure cooker. So you can see the dal is cooked beautifully. So using a whisk or a spatula, make sure you just mix it well. So you want the dal to be nice and creamy like this. So you can see it's nice and creamy. Just transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Let's start preparing the Khatti Meethi Dal. Take a nice white kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. So you can also temper this with regular oil. Once the ghee is melted, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, about 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Next, add 1 red chilli half. Just roast these ingredients first. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafeta powder. Next, add 2 green chilli slit, a small piece of ginger chopped, a few curry leaves. Just roast these ingredients. To this, I'm adding 1 large tomato chopped. Cook the tomatoes till they turn a little mushy for about 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see the tomatoes have become a little mushy. At this point, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tamarind puree. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, and mix everything well. So next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Now some of them like it a little more sweeter, so you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Khatti Meethi Dal meaning sweet and tangy, or rather literal translation, tangy and sweet. So now that the jaggery is melted, finally I'm going to add the cooked toor dal. Keeping the flame on low, gently transfer the cooked toor dal. So we're just going to dilute this a little bit by adding some water. Add about 1 cup of water. Check for seasoning at this point and adjust the salt and jaggery as required. Close the kadai and let this simmer on medium-low flame for about 5 minutes. Dal is coming together beautifully. It's just been simmering for about 5 minutes now. So finally, we can finish off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and just squeeze a few drops of lemon juice. Just mix that in, and this beautiful Gujarati style dal is ready to be served. Well, I'm serving this dal with some nice hot steaming basmati rice. This is a wonderful dal recipe anyone can make with just simple ingredients. Make sure to follow all the steps correctly to get that perfect, authentic taste and flavor. Well, it's time to enjoy this delicious dal with some nice hot steaming rice. Perfect comfort food. This is what we call soul food. This is something that will make your soul happy. Well, right now I'm in a very happy place. Well, that Khatti Meethi Dal and Chawal is a perfect combination. I loved it, and this is a lovely recipe that you can make after a long day if you want to enjoy a nice wholesome meal. So do give it a try, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.